Alright guys, welcome back, Matt Brown here, and today's video we are going to see step by step how to create a table lamp using Blender. So let's get started. Go to front view and press Alt R to reset the rotation. Now add image reference. The link will be in the description so that you can follow this tutorial. Move it on Z axis. Now add a plane. Go to edit mode and make sure to take a vertex 2. And now press M and merge the vertex at center. Press E to extrude the vertex. Guys, take your time and match the shape. Alright guys, keep doing the same thing. I will speed up the video for now. Alright guys, we just extrude that on one side because we are going to use extrude modifier. Let's first go back to object mode. Now go to modify property and add extrude. Let's go back to solid view. Let's move this thing. As you can see now we have this shape. Now let's right click and convert it to mesh. Now let's scale it on X and Y. Let's first put the origin to geometric. Let's shift Z and move it to match properly. Alright, now press tab to go to edit mode. Now take the H2, maybe the face 2. Press Alt and left click, Shift Alt and left click, Shift Alt and left click, Shift Alt and left click. Now scale it on Z by 0. Now take the H2. Let's add some detail right here. Hold Alt and left click. Now press Ctrl B to add a bevel. Now throw the middle mouse button to increase the number of segments. Let's do the same thing right here. Alt, left click, Ctrl B. The same thing right here. Ctrl B. Scroll the middle mouse button. Same thing right here. Ctrl B. Same thing right here. Guys, keep doing the same bevel. Guys, let's also select this face and this one, SZ and value 0. Now let's tap about to object mode. Now we have this nice shape. Maybe we can add a loop cut right here. Now let's add a subdiv. Now we have a nice shape. Now let's go back to front view. Go to edit mode. Select this. Select one vertex. Shift S. Cursor to selected. Now go back to object mode, Shift A, and add a UV sphere. Now scale it down, move it on Z, go back to object mode, go to wireframe and select, let's go to front view, select this vertex like this and move it on Z. Now scale it down, that will be our lamp. Let's go back to solid view and take the edge tool, maybe the face tool, select this face like that, this one, and I think it's okay. Now press Alt E and extrude it along the normal so that we have this shape. Let's shade smooth it. Now let's Shift A, let's add a cylinder. Right click and shade smooth it. Go to data property and check normal. Alright, now go to wireframe, edit mode, move it on Z, take a edge tool. Now scale this vertex down like this, move it on Z, and scale and take this one, move it on Z, scale it. Guys, it doesn't have to be extremely perfect. Move it on Z and scale it. Let's go back to solid view and take the face tool. Select this face and this one and press X and delete the face. Now let's go back to object mode. As you can see, now we have the shape. Now let's go to UV editor. Select this object, go to edit mode. Let's first hide this cylinder. Go to edit mode and go to top view, wireframe. Now select all this face like that. Alright guys, now let's go to front view and press U, projection from view. I think your UV editor will not looking like that. Just go to image and open one. Just open the image reference given in the description. Now let's go to material, add to one. Right now let's go to base color and add image texture. Now choose your lamp. Now let's move that and go back to render view. Alright, now assign this material. Alright, now let's press A to select all that, and let's try our best to match this thing. Scale it on X axis. Alright, now let's go back to extrude tool, top view. Now select this other vertex like that. Make sure to select everything. Now press Ctrl number part 1 to go to other side. Now press U and choose also projection from view. Now create a new material. Assign it. And now let's go to base color, image texture. And now let's choose our texture. Now press A to select everything. Now move it, something like that, and scale it on X. And still we have something like that. And that is looking okay for me. Now let's go back to layout. Let's enable our cylinder. Now for this object, just go to render view and you can simply add a white material. Now for the light, shift A and add a light, a point light. Now move it on Z. Now increase the power. Now let's go to color management and change the look. Also guys, you can check bloom, the bloom and ambient occlusion. And that's it guys, this is how you can make a table lamp using Blender. Thank you so much for watching. I will catch you on my next tutorial. Bye bye.